beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. So my husband came up with this recipe because my son does not like eating beans and plantain. So I wanted to try this if he would eat it, and voila, he did. This was good. So if you have a toddler that does not like eating beans and plantain, please go ahead to try this recipe and thank me later. Okay, so I'll be using this black eye beans for this recipe. I'll go ahead to destone it, and after doing so, I'll go ahead to transfer it on the heat, add water, cook till it is soft. Okay, so after cooking for a while, I came back to add in salt. So I'm going to cook this till it is done and I'll set that aside. Moving on, I'll be using ripe plantain. So I'll remove the peel, mash it till it is smooth. I'm going to stir everything to combine properly. Next, I'll add in my chili flakes, I'll add in salt, and I'll also add in seasoning cube. So I'll go ahead to mix everything together to combine. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. And for those that are coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we make amazing recipe that you love. Please subscribe, stay connected. So let's continue cooking. Next, after mixing everything together, in my pan I'll add in vegetable oil and I'll transfer everything into the pan. I'm just gonna spread it around the way you're seeing me do. Okay, you know, there are so many ways to eat your beans and your plantain, especially when you have kids that does not like eating beans and plantain. So you'd have to look for a way to make it look good for them to be able to eat. Okay, so that's why I came up with this recipe. I hope you will try this recipe and let me know what you think about this video. So this is my final look after cooking it for a while. On one side, you flip it over to the other side and it's cooked on a very low heat, okay, so it wouldn't get burned. See, the taste was good. This taste was good. Try this recipe and let me know what you think about this video, and I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye bye.